Hey guys, this is Yuri, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the voice command function that's available on the Tank 300, 500 and the Cannon Alpha, certain specs, and maybe other future GWM products in the future. I'll show you how everything works, how to set it up, and I'll show you a couple examples how those functions work. I'll leave all the timestamps down below if you want to skip forward on this particular video. If you find this video helpful, the best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like. Let's get started. Alright, in today's video, I'll use a Tank 500 as an example. The functions and system connectivity is very much similar. So to go into the setting, you need to click the icon, of course, and go into the settings menu. And the setting menu, you can find your personalization. Under the personalization, there is a one called voice. Sometimes if you do not have this, let's say we deactivate it, confirmed, you have this enable function. So you want to activate this first before you can go into the settings. That just means you agree to use this particular voice command. First thing, default wake up words is hello GWM. That just means if you do not set anything up, you speak out these words, it should pop up notification about the GWM voice recognition. Another way to activate that feature is a quick click on the voice guidance button on your steering. Do remember, if you do a short click on the voice command button, it will go to this particular built-in voice command to control the vehicle functions, features, things like that. If you do a long press and hold, you are able to activate the Siri command if your Apple CarPlay is connected, or Google Assistant if your Android Auto is all connected. Next, you can do a custom wake up words. Let's say we can change these particular wake up words to whatever you want. You can do hello tank, you can do hello something, you can even do hello Jerry, you can do hey mate. It will do the work. Let's try. We can do hello tank this time. Just like that. Make sure these are English wording so it recognizes letters and all that things. Right now, to wake up this function is just say hello tank. Just like that, that voice recognition pops up. Whenever you hear the noise, it means it's listening to you. Whenever it's cancelled, that's cancelled. To cancel that, you also have a small icon over here, or simply click the voice command button on your steering again. Next is the voice wake up. Click this to cancel. That means when you want to wake up the particular voice system, you have to rely on control function key on your steering. Where if you enable that, you can just say hello tank, hello GWM, whatever you set to enable that. Next is the voice command wake up words. You can actually give some quick notification. Let's say if we click this, you get shortcut instructions. You can quickly talk to this without wake up at all. But then under the general skills, that's when you want to wake up, say hello tank first, before you can actually engage all these functions. So that's how that works with this particular wake up command. Of course, the last one is deactivate it. If you deactivate it, you do not have this function at all. You have to reactivate again. Next, let's try these shortcut instructions. For these shortcut instructions, you do not have to do anything before you enable the voice command as long as this function is enabled. That means you can just say whatever these functions or commands you're wanting to make, it will just do that for you. Well, under the map and navigation, you can also do these ones as well. So let's try the first one. Let's say volume up. Just like that. Online volume is already up. That's how that works. Of course, it's quite loud. And you can do, say, go back to home page. So there we go. It always finds you when you do those things. Now, if we go to the map navigation, we can say map zoom out.
Zooming out.
Just like that. So that's how to do those quick shortcut functions, but it's very limited, of course. There's more if you do the activation. If we go back to that again, then you find all the general skills about HVAC, that's your aircon, vehicle control, about windows, even sunroof, if that's available in your vehicle. You can do volume, you can increase brightness, you can do map, you can do medium control. So quite cool, quite a lot of few things to control. Now let's do a few tests. Hello tank. Adjust the aircon to 23 degrees.
Okay, I've adjusted the temperature to 23 degrees in the driver's seat.
As we can see, both go to 23 degrees because we have the zone command. Hello Tank, guide me.
Where should we go?
Newmarket, Auckland.
Which of these places do you want?
Number 1.
Okay, Newmarket, Auckland. Starting navigation.
Hello Tank, cancel navigation.
Stopping route guidance.
Hello Tank, go to home page. There we go. So that's all the functions available through the screen, and very cool actually. Now let's test the sunroof and also the window control function. Hello Tank, open sunroof. There we go. Of course, that's available if you have sunroof. Hello Tank, open window. Just like that. Hello Tank, open all the windows. There we go. All the windows are down. Close all the windows. Close sunroof. Close sunroof shade. Another cool thing I found, while you're on the passenger seat at the front, you can also use this function to do your window. And when you speak out, you don't have to say specifically your window, you just say open window, it'll do the job. Hello Tank, open the window. The vehicle will know you're on the passenger side, and that also means your passenger screen will have a voice command just over there. And if you want to adjust the temperature, your temperature will be adjusted instead of other temperature, just like that. Hello Tank, temperature to 26 degrees.
Alright, the temperature is set to 26 degrees in the passenger seat.
There we go, the passenger seats are now having 26 degrees. And to cancel the voice command while it's doing the voice command, you can simply press this icon over here, or you can simply say cancel. Hello Tank, close window. My window is now all gone. Cancel. Just like that, that's gone. That's how that works. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you do, do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.